Okay, so once you've got your characters set up, the next thing is to animate the slide, and for this one I would like the cat Sally to actually make an entrance, and then I'll add a speech bubble which says hi to Ned. So I'm going to move the cat over, and then I'm going to go to animations, and I'm going to have add an animation, and I'm going to get her to appear, and then I'm going to add a custom path, and I'm just going to, from her, just make her bounce up the stage and across here and to end at the seat. Then so click to end it, and so she probably could have gone a bit higher there, but she bounces up onto the slide. So that's the first part, and then I can also insert another speech bubble, and so I can have it here where she says hi Ned, and so I'm going to have this one animation as well. So add an animation to appear. Now, the one thing you need to check is what they're in. At the moment, they're on click, so don't want them to be on click. I want the cat to be with previous, and then I want hi Ned to be after the previous, so that that one appears after the cat. And if I click on preview, it should show me the cat going in and then the animation starting there. And you can do all sorts of things with that, but I'd expect that you would have your first character, your person, at least one or maybe two people as guests, and then we'll have our expert come in as well.